Today we're checking out something seriously refreshing from Suzuki, the 2026 GSX8R Daidai-Iro Edition. A bold factory custom twist on the GSX8R that goes way beyond the usual new stickers New Year formula. It skipped the aftermarket, and got a fully dialed sport bike straight from the factory. Now Daidai-Iro literally means orange, but this isn't just orange, it's a full-on glass blaze orange explosion. Loud, aggressive, and perfectly matched to the GSX8R's sharp, modern styling. But this isn't just about color. Suzuki basically pre-built the bike the way most riders would mod it anyway. You get a sleek single-seat cowl for that track-ready look, CNC aluminum levers for a premium feel, a more refined rider seat, tank protection and paint-preserving film. It's like someone already spent time and money making the bike better, before you even touched it. Performance. Underneath, it's still the solid GSX8R platform. We're talking 776cc parallel twin, around 83 horsepower, strong mid-range torque, a 270-degree crank that gives it that punchy, character-filled ride. This is a bike built for real-world fun, not just top-speed bragging rights. Power Edition. Now if you want a bit more spice, the Power Edition steps it up. Factory-fitted Akrapovic exhaust system. Drops about 5 pounds. Adds a small bump in power and torque. No, it won't turn it into a superbike, but that deeper sound and lighter feel. That's exactly the upgrade most riders would do anyway. Pricing. Now here's the catch. It's currently Germany only, priced at €11,790. If it lands globally, here's what we might expect. Philippines. Around 720,000 to 760,000 pesos. USA. About $9,500 to $10,200. India. Roughly 9.5 to 10.5 lakh rupees. And honestly, if Suzuki brings this worldwide, it could be one of the smartest middleweight buys out there.